that when we emerge from the pandemic, businesses and economies will adopt a more conscious, sustainable manner of working, to a clear realization that nations across have to first and foremost build a strong and robust healthcare. To at an organizational level, the immense power of digital collaborations, which can reduce wasteful expenditure which was happening hitherto across, and to be able to drive a much higher level of customer convenience at the back of this digital collaboration. To at a closer home front level, a clear appreciation across households of the number of tasks and the humongous level of effort that our homemakers have been putting in across the years, over the years, just to keep the homes running smoothly. And one can hope that at the end of this pandemic, when we emerge, we will continue to play equal homemakers in the future as well. So the learnings have been very many at all levels. As marketeers, our job is to keep a tab on the changing pulse of consumers. Clearly, consumer needs have changed and are now more focused towards some core themes like health and hygiene, safety, convenience. And as brands reassess their offerings and try to revise their offerings and reach out to customers, they will need the support of the entire ecosystem. This can only happen at the back of strong digital collaboration and win-win strategies, which allow us to throw aside our wasteful ways of the past and reach and deliver a much higher order of convenience for our customers. The traditional roles, traditional boundaries will all have to give way. People will have to develop new skills in a much shorter time, and the learnings are immense. One only has to be willing.